Now that you've set your password, sign in with the email address that you initially used when you first signed up. These must match. Once you log in, you'll come to this screen, which is your dashboard. And what we're going to do now is add skills and experience. Simply click Add Skills and Experience. This is where you will claim your certifications and training for the given disciplines. In this case, we'll use carpet. Simply click Add Discipline. When did you start installing? Way back in '95 for me. And click certifications that you have and when you attain them. Affiliations and any micro trainings. In this case, there are none in the platform for carpet. And there you go. Once verified, you'll be given the credit for the certifications that you've claimed.